In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, a very beautiful and a very precious item is going to be presented today. What is that? It will ensure our victory. Do you want to be victorious? Who don't want to be victorious one? Each and everyone else want to be victorious. Each and everyone else want to be a successful person. No one else want to become a failure. No one else want to become a failure. Because failure is bad. Because failure disrespect us. Failure is a disrespect. We want to avoid the respect. After all, we do have an ego. We are a human being. We do have an ego, and our ego, demands from us that we should stay victorious. We should not be a loser. Today we are going to discuss why a person become a loser and how a person can become a victorious, can become a winner by doing the smaller things. Do the smaller things, be a victorious person, be a winner. What are those smaller things which can ensure our victory? Let's understand first, why do we fail? Let's understand first, why do we lose our respect in the society? Let's understand it first. As soon as we do understand it, it will become very easy to start winning. Stop losing, start winning. Dear friends, we have become the people of our impulses, always looking for the gratification, always looking for the player seeking. We want players, we want momentary players. There are plenty and plenty and plenty of things which gives us momentary pleasure, and we are fond of these. We are fond of doing this thing. I want to smoke right now. I want to drink a cream coffee. It has become an addiction. Smoking has become an addiction. Meeting certain people, I can't live without them. This is an addiction. Eating, drinking certain other things is an addiction. Certain other things in a routine manner. Why? For what purpose? Because of the gratification, because of the happiness, because of the pleasure, because I can't live without them. I keep talking whatever comes to my mind. I have very little control over my tongue. Over what I say, I have very little control over it. I have a very little control over what I watch while I am outside, especially while I am carrying my cell phone, while I am using my smartphone. While I'm watching the things on the smartphone, I have a very little control over myself, what to watch and what not to watch. I have a very little amount of control, self control while I am outside, while I'm in the open air. While wherever I am amongst the other people, I have a little control for myself. When I am watching my smartphone in privacy, little control over my talks, little control over the food I eat, the things to eat and drink. Make sure that you are sacrificing the smaller things. While watching the smartphone, while walking on the road, while eating, while drinking, while talking, don't obey your impulses blindly. Never ever start gaining control. I said start gaining control bit by bit. Develop it gradually. Start gaining control over your impulses. Rein in your impulses. Desires, gratifications, the things which gives you pleasure, satisfaction. Say no to your impulses. Again, start it from very little. Keep developing it gradually, bit by bit. The more developed it become, the more developed it become, the stronger will it render you. We will become stronger by controlling our impulses, by denying the gratification, at least by delaying the gratifications. Delaying and reducing, both of these simultaneously. Delaying the gratification and reducing it bit by bit, bit by bit, bit by bit. Keep developing yourself on the both of these lines. Gratification is driven by talking, by certain talks, by said like gossip, like certain other things. Like gossip, like certain other things. You want to please the person you're talking to, or you want to hurt them because of your ego has been hurt by those people, because you are angry. Being in a hurry to make a decision, to announce the decision, because you are emotionally affected. Reduce, delaying first, reducing then. The two of these are working parallelly on the both sides. On the both sides of the gratification, and the both sides of the impulses, and the both sides of the desires, on the both sides of the layers, enjoyment. Delaying it on the one end, reducing it on the other end. Working on both sides, on both the aspects of the gratification. Believe me or not, it will bring the best out of you. It will make you strong. It will make you live honorably here in this world. Do you want to live honorably here? Who else don't? Each and every human being wants to live honorably. No one want to be disrespected. Nobody want to become a weaker human being. Nobody want to lose their respect. Nobody want to be defeated by the other people. Nobody want to feel ashamed. Nobody want to feel ashamed. So today we have discussed, why do we feel ashamed? Why do we become weak? Why do we lose our respect? Why do we become a defeated person? Why do we become a loser? Why don't we fail to why don't we succeed? Why don't we become a winner and a victorious person? Why don't we raise our respect in the society? Why don't we succeed in raising our self image? This has been talked about in our today's discussion, and as per my opinion, as far as the human being being are concerned, as far as me and you are concerned, if at all we do succeed in creating just one thing in ourselves, let me tell you and let me assure you that we are going to become a successful human being, that we are going to become a winner, we are going to become a victorious, we are going to live honorably here in this world. I think so. Whatever is needed most is that on the one hand we are successful in the court of our conscience, on the other hand we are successful and victorious in the court of the word as well. We want to become a successful and a victorious in the court of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as well. It is as simple as this one. As our today's talk and discussion is concerned, I think it is one of the most beneficial talk I have delivered today. It is the most effective, the most precious talk I have ever delivered today, or at least one of the best one. And I think so. Thus, the success and the happiness and the dignity was never so easy. Was never defined so in such an easy manner. That is why I call it one of the best talks of mine. Let's act upon it. Let's give it a very fair try. Let's give it a try for once only. We can try it for 1 month, but we can try it. We can give it a fair try for 1 month, and we should try to implement. We should try to practice it in letter and spirit. Let me tell you, it will give us one thing, and the one thing is that we will be satisfied person, and we will become a confident human being. We will not be a loser at all, because we have stopped being a loser, and we have started becoming a winner. That we have become a more and more confident human being, that we can do so many of the things, that plenty of opportunities are in front of me. It is as simple as this one. I think so. Now it depends upon me and you whether we do benefit from this thing or not. Thank you. Jazakallah.